Hey guys, welcome to Phone Brother, and today we just get a very special phone for you. It's the Astro Boy limited edition, and it's from co-branded model. It's from Redmi and Astro Boy. It's the Redmi Note 11T Astro Boy limited edition. According to the official news, this model is limited to 10,000 pieces, so it's really very hard to get this special model for you. And today I will have a very quick talk on the specification about this model. And now, as you can see, in the middle of the screen, you can see the smartphone, and I already put the case on it. And I think before we check the smartphone, I will show you the package as well, because this time, as you can see, they really spend a lot of time on the design as well. Like the outside package, they just provide a special box and special package. It's not like the normal box design. It's like a drawer. You get this out like this, draw out like this, and in the side of the package we can find the information of the Astro Boy, and also here is the information about Astro Boy, and here is Redmi Note information. Astro Boy limited edition, like the audio dual speaker system, 5G SoC, MediaTek Dimensity 8100, and its 5nm processing technology, powered by Redmi. Screen is for 144 LCD. Refresh rate. Main camera is 64 megapixel, flagship triple camera. So this is the box, and also when we get this out, we find the silver box, and it's like a wing designed, wing inspired, open method. Open here is the inside box. You can open it like this, and we can get another package, user menu, the pin SIM card pin, and also the quick start of this smartphone. So also here you find the cable and the 120-watt fast charging. And after we showing the other stuff, I think we can talk about smartphone. So this is smartphone, and I already put the case on. So the first time we get the smartphone, I will say it's really amazing. Even I take off the screen protector, and you'll find this model is really beautiful, and the Astro Boy fans will like it, because you can see it's a special design cover. According to news, they call this is a 3D cubic design, because in different angles you can find it have a 3D result performance. Also different colors as well, and also the performance of the technology is really amazing. So this is really cool on such a special device. So screen wake up, and now we can find the screen part. And yeah, this time they use a design screen. It's an LCD screen, and it supports 144 Hz refresh rate, and also it's passed the DisplayMate 8 Plus certification. So it's really nice screen for you as well. Also the size is just the same like the Note normal edition. So as you can see, this is about the Yes, so this is about appearance, and also as you can see, I can easily hand this on my hand because the screen is 6.6 inch, and the size of the smartphone is not so big. Like the dips is only 8.9 mm, and also the length is 126 mm, and also the width is 74 mm, so it's not so big. I can easily hand it to my hand, so it's also nice for me, for the fans to control the smartphone as well. Also, this time the screen is really distant screen as well. It's not because it's not only have a high specification screen, but it's also can protect your eyes fields, can have low energy consumption, and also it support DC adjustment, and also it can have LDR10, so it's good on the screen part. Yes, so next I will talk about the camera. And this time they have a triple rear camera with one single front camera, and as you can see, 1, 2, 3. The main one is the 64 megapixel, and the second one is 8 megapixel wide angle. It supports 120 degrees, and another one is 2 megapixel macro lens angle. So the camera system can provide you a very nice shooting experience, photo experience as well. And for the front one is 60 megapixel. It also can give you provide you a very nice and good quality safe pictures as well. And also for the processor, and this time they have the MediaTek Dimensity, yes, 8100 processor. Is one of the best middle to high end processor in the market. The heating temperature and the energy consumption, and also the performance have a very good balance on these three parts. And also the Antutu score, it can reach to 83, it can reach to 8,300, 3,000 hundreds. Yes, this can the screen the score is between between 830,000 to 850,000. So it's also have a good performance on this processor, and also the batteries have 4,400 big batteries, and also this time support 100, and as you can see here, 120 watt fast charger this time, so it can have a very fast charging experience for you, especially for this time they have the own developed charging chips, the Xiaomi P1 charging chips, so it can make the charging experience more stable. And also normally in 20 minutes it can charge from 0% to 100% fully charge, and also in 10 minutes you can charge from 0% to half 50%, I mean. Yes, so this is about the charger on this model. Yes, I think before we end the video today, I can show you some interface UIs of this model. So let's turn around, and now there's a lock screen, and then let's unlock it, so we can find the customized Astro Boy UI, the wallpaper, and we unlock it. We find the customized icons, lot of the themes of the of the smartphone is the Astro deeply customized. It's cool. It's cool for us to have so many customized icons. Nice, no nice. I can try to charging it. Maybe we get some surprise. Yes. Whoa! I thought it would be customized charging. Yes, special charging icons, videos, as we can see. Yes, so nice. Whoa, nice. I like it. So cool, this smartphone. And also, besides the charger, this time they also provide a lot of useful functions on this smartphone. They just kept first, like the 3.5mm headphone jacket here, and also the infrared remote controller here, sorry, and also it have a dual dual speaker system, audio speaker, so it can also provide a good quality sound quality as well. And also you can use this infrared remote control to control the your air conditioner or refrigerator or your TV, especially when you have a lot of Xiaomi ALD devices. It can make your life more smart. Very nice on this as well. And also here they keep the 3.5mm. Normally, as far as I see, they just keep this 3.5mm in the middle or low end products, but this time in this such a cooling and such a special smartphone, the Astro Boy edition, Redmi Note 11T, is very nice for the fans, so they can get good sound quality through the cabled earphones. This is also nice on this phone. So yes, I think this is more the main features I think I want to show you, and I think they just list the main specifications here. We can review it. The name, the audio quality, the 5G chips, the MediaTek Dimensity 8100, and the final processing technology, and also the screen and the camera. I think another thing I think I should talk about is about the here. It's the RAM and ROM. Here they have the GB RAM plus 256 RAM, and it support LPDDR 4X, and also it have the UFS 3.1, so it's really nice. And also for the sound quality, as I mentioned, it have the Doubly and Atmos certification. Whoa, here we get the Astro Boy certification here, so it's really so nice for the Astro Boy fans to have such a amazing and cooling designs product. Here is the case. Now it's the 70th anniversary of this IP, Astro Boy, and also the case is so special. And also I found that this time they really do good on the other stuff as well, like they also provide the customized instructions useful for you to use this smartphone, and also stickers they provided. So wow, so nice. They can provide so many IP related product accessories. It's very nice for the fans. And also when we get such a smartphone, it's really bring me a lot of good memories when we watch the animation of this IP, and really bring us a lot of good memories when we still a child. So nice. I think I I will recommend this smartphone if you are Astro Boy fans as well. So it's so nice, and I hope you like this smartphone. Okay, so I think that's so much for this video today, and I hope you like this video, and hope you stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here from brother. Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned waiting for more videos from here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys. Bye bye.